We've all heard of the Perfect Pitch program rolled out by Coldwell Banker, right?
Welcome to The Source.
This national workshop probably helped you as a real estate agent define your unique value proposition a year ago, tailor it for buyers about 6 months ago, and refresh it this year. Well, what if I told you that you could take this unique value proposition that you already have and turn it into 10 hyper-specific content ideas in a matter of seconds? We all know that showcasing your value on social media helps you stand out among the competition and drive more engagement. So let's see how exactly to get months of content ideas from your perfect pitch. So I'm starting off with a prompt that we use to craft our perfect pitch. Once I have this, I'm going to prompt AI to develop this into a viral-worthy content that not only showcases my unique value, but also ties back to current trends on social media. It really takes the hard work out of planning what you're going to post. Now I have 10 content ideas which I can reuse throughout a series of months until I feel like my value proposition is shifted and I want to update my perfect pitch as well as my content plan. I mean, how easy can this get? Give it a try and tag me in your next piece of content.
And that's all for this month on The Source.